Good morning from a beautiful fall day. It's been a while since we last chatted with you guys and actually released a proper video. I think the last solid series that we had was still from the days that we were in Kelowna with my mom. There's a few videos here and there, nothing really as regular as we'd like. And yeah, so the goal of this video is to just catch you guys up on what we've been up to, because there's a few things happening here and there that we are pretty excited about. So since the Kelowna series, we also have one other guest that came to visit Skylar and Baby Cloud. That was my brother. And he was here for about a week. So that was all fun, but we didn't have the chance to film that one. And we've just been enjoying all of the fall fun activities all around Metro Vancouver. Also, as part of this video, I want to catch you guys up on how we've been doing with the house. We've done some upgrades and decorating for the house since we last filmed for that series. But before we get into that, Max has some big news.
No, I'm not pregnant. Skylar, you want to share that in the news? So the big news is my parents are visiting us again. So I'm super excited. I think the last time we saw them was last year when we visited Asia, but that was just a quick one, like only a week or two. They're going to visit during the winter time, during Christmas season, so this is really special that we are all together. Another addition is my sister. Now it's her first time visiting Canada, and we're going to welcome her in the airport, which is really exciting because it's also their first time meeting Baby Cloud.
How about you, Sky? Excited to see Wawa?
Yeah, Abu.
Baby Cloud is just taking his nap, taking all the energy to grow up. I can't believe that he's almost 6 months, halfway through, right Dad?
Yeah.
Our little baby is growing into a little big boy. I think we also need to upgrade his stroller, right?
Yeah. This video is just full of upgrades.
Yes. Even the little one needs an upgrade because his toes are already sticking out the bassinet stroller, which he loves, but I'm scared that he might just roll over and we'll just find out that he's on the floor one time.
Oh no!
Abu Dudu.
What is Abadudu?
I don't know.
So in terms of the updates for the house, I think we better get started upstairs where we last left. I think the last time we filmed a decorating or renovating video was we were still working on the office, and since then we've done a few things. So, welcome back to the office, aka our guest room. As you guys can see, we have fully moved into this space and somewhat enjoyed it already. I think on the last video that we filmed, we were just kind of like renovating, putting up some cabinets, putting up some furniture. The cabinets and the furnitures are still here, we're still using them. We've added a few decorations on the area. If you guys have seen our previous videos in our old place, this is the exact same nanolith that we had on the wall. So we just took that and then put them here. We kept it because it kind of has the same tone, same vibe that we wanted for this house. And yeah, just adds a bit of extra lighting for the space. We got an office chair. This is from IKEA. And at this point, there's a few clutter here and there, but you can't really blame us because this is where I work from day to day, so you can see all of the things that we use for filming, for producing, and everything else. But one thing I did want to show is we still have sort of like pinboard that we had of our places that we wanted to visit and also the places that we've visited, which keeps us motivated to go traveling in the future. So all these tiny investments and upgrades in the house is great because we're going to be enjoying this space for a few years. But in terms of how big the investments are, I think the biggest investment that we put into this place is this guy. So moving into this new home, we didn't really have any AC, and it was really tough during the summer season because here in BC, there's a few heat waves here and there that reaches up to around 29 degrees, 30 degrees Celsius, sometimes even more. We only had baseboard heaters as a form of our heating when we bought this house. And now this upgrade that we did was a heat pump. So I reached out to different contractors that did upgrades for heat pumps, and we ended up going with Reliance. So all in all, we added 4 unit heads for each of the rooms. So this guest room the master bedroom, Skylar's bedroom, and the main living room. And then there's one outdoor unit that feeds air into those units inside the house. We were also looking for contractors. They made us choose like what brand to go for with this mini split heat pump system. I think the more expensive ones are the Japanese brands like Mitsubishi, because they're well known. They've been in the industry for so long, but it's like $5,000, $8,000 more, which is a little bit over our budget. So that's why we went with the Hisense brand. This is a Chinese brand. So far, it's been great. You know, we don't have any complaints. And yeah, and hopefully it just lasts as long as a Japanese brand. All in all, I think it's a worthy investment because half of the price, the overall price, was covered with a BC Hydro rebate. So we only paid half of the bill off pocket. And they say that having a heat pump is way better than having baseboard heaters during the winter season because for every dollar spent on a baseboard heater, I think there's only about 30 cents using a heat pump. But yeah, we'll keep you guys posted because it's only the fall season, so we've only used it a little bit compared to the baseboard heaters. And we'll know more for sure this coming winter season.
Someone is awake
Ay.
and full.
Did you just burp?
Yep. Hey guys.
Abba Dudu.
Look how big and heavy this baby now is, eh?
Yeah, so heavy and chunky.
I'm moving back so they get a better perspective of how big the baby is. Yeah.
I remember Skylar back in the day. She was this big and cute and cuddly as well. They look really similar. They're like twins, but 2 years apart.
Yeah.
Is that possible?
Baby Cloud has more of like a boy face, but Ate Skylar has the same shape when she was still little, but you could tell like she has like a girly look.
I'm a boy.
Hey boy. So I think we're gonna skip the master bedroom and Skylar's bedroom because you guys have seen that place, and we haven't really done a lot of upgrades for those. So we're going downstairs to show you guys a few more things. And because of barely having the time to clean up the house, we also got a second Robo Vacuum, which is a similar model from our original one. So that one is responsible for cleaning the upper floor. Finally, we have a proper dining table. So if you guys remember, we brought all of our furniture from the condo to here, and we've been living with a small dining table for a few months. This is just a square dining table that we bought from IKEA, and you can barely fit like 3 or 4 big plates on it. We are so excited and happy to finally have an 8-seater wide table for our dining area. Enough space for the whole family and visitors. I think in the beginning, we just envisioned the space to be also where Skylar is going to be doing her homework, maybe when Baby Cloud in the future as well. So we're getting there. And if you guys have been checking the footages, there's a little Easter egg behind the dining table. We have a few boxes there of what we wanted to do for the media wall. A few different companies are coming in next week to finally put up all of the shelving, all of the decoration, and put the TV onto our media wall. For a few months, we've just been using our old TV, which is great, but you know, it doesn't necessarily fit the space. And we've gotten a lot of good deals lately from sales, so that's why we just purchased everything and it's finally going to be put up on the wall. Okay, as we get ready to head to the airport, let's take a quick look back at last week, when we fully embraced our Disney-loving side and dressed up as a Frozen family for Halloween. Good morning, everyone. This weekend is Halloween weekend and we are ready to have some fun. This is our first Halloween as a family of 4, so we thought of stepping it up. As you guys may have noticed, we are going with a Frozen theme for this year. Skylar is in a Frozen era stage right now, so I don't think you're ready yet.
Abba Dudu.
Abba Juju? Yeah, she's had Frozen fever now for a few weeks, and we've been trying hard to gather all Frozen costumes so we can all match for this Halloween. Who's ready?
Nobody yet!
Nobody yet. You can see all of the costumes are over here. We got some props coming in. Can't join the fun yet, huh, Baby Cloud? Huh? You need to stand up and join the fun. Okay, we'll give you a costume later.
So I also bought NAS online in case nobody knows Frozen, which I'm sure everyone knows Frozen. You show your mask, Sky. Since Skylar loves Frozen, she made the decision that everyone should cooperate and wear Frozen costume for this year's Halloween. And she declared herself to be Elsa. Right? Who's mom? Mommy's?
Anna.
Dad is?
Sister.
And Baby Cloud?
Owa.
Yay! Everyone's complete, right?
Yeah.
This is actually our first year matching for Halloween costumes. I think for the past few Halloweens, we've only just enjoyed Skylar dressing up. And then we were like backup parents or stage parents. But this year, we're actually putting on some costumes. So let's see how this turns out. What do you think, Sky?
Elsa ko.
You're Elsa?
Yeah,
Yeah, but
Elsa ko.
Mom is going to be Anna, right?
Yeah. Elsa.
Elsa? Sky, look! Anna!
Have you seen Elsa?
I think she's confused. Stop! It's a little tight. Buddies.
I think we're missing one more character.
Yeah.
Who do you think it is?
Where's Queen Elsa? Queen Elsa! Where's Queen Elsa? You! You better get ready! Hi Elsa! Who's ready? Let's see. Christoph knows how to drive a car instead of a sleigh. He never gets Ben.
So the weather hasn't been cooperating the past few days, and we decided to do trick-or-treating indoors, which is in the mall, conveniently.
But I think it's still a few days before the actual Halloween day, so we're hoping that the weather clears up and we can go out. But we'll see. We'll see what happens in the mall. So Sky, what's the goal today? Get as much candy as possible?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's line up, Dad!
Okay.
Who's next?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat! There's purple and purple.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Bye, have fun. You're first. Baby goes first. Trick or treat.
Welcome to the club,
Baby
Baby
goes
Cloud.
have a basket.
Yeah?
You need to hold your basket, Cloudy. And so the adventure begins. Yay!
Where's the next guy? Even with the rain pouring down, Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, and little Olaf weren't about to miss out on the fun. We traded rainy streets for the mall, where every store turned into a mini candy kingdom. Skylar was a bit overwhelmed by all of the excitement at first, but powered through till the very end. Our little queen was determined to collect every treat in sight. And Baby Cloud? He had no clue what's going on, just happily along for the ride. Okay, it's time to jump on our royal sleigh and head over to the airport. It's a big tree.
Mom, there's no star up there.
There's no star.
Yeah, there.
No lights yet.
Why? So So it's just a few minutes before we go to the airport, and it's nighttime, it's dinner time for the little ones. They're getting hungry, so we decided to stop by MacArthur Glen and have dinner here first.
It's only November 2nd, but they have the Christmas tree up and some of the Christmas decorations.
Yeah, I was expecting there's lights already, but there's no lights on the tree yet. But the surroundings, the entrance, there's lots of lights. And you can see all the holiday decorations out already.
Yeah. You like this place?
Abu-doo-doo.
The weather today is so cool, but good thing it's not raining. It's like around 3-4 degrees Celsius, so I'm pretty excited to see my parents' reaction to the cold because they came from the Philippines. It's warm there, as we all know. And yeah, can't wait to meet them.
What's that?
Yes, Abu-doo-doo.
Still don't know what abu-doo means.
It's actually been a while since we last been here in MacArthur Glen Center Outlet, but now it seems so far away if we drive it all the way here from our current home. It's just nice to be back here, seeing all of the favorite shops that we used to go to.
It's first time.
Oh! Yeah, sleeping.
There you go. You know, there's something special about seeing your parents step off that plane no matter how old we get. That moment always feels like coming home. This time though, it's a little extra special because not only Mama and Papa are back in Canada, they brought my sister with them. And the best part, they finally get to see Skylar again and meet baby Cloud for the very first time. Watching them connect, sharing those little smiles and cuddles, it's moments like this that makes everything feel so full of love. Thanks for sharing this moment with us. We'll see you again next time.